Hi, this is how you maneuver the latest version of Creator Studio as of October 2020. First, you go to facebook.com Creator Studio, or from your Facebook business page, go under Publishing Tools. You will find Creator Studio. Once you're in Creator Studio, you have the option to go either to Facebook or Instagram if you have an Instagram business account. If you go under Facebook, on Instagram it will become purple. Okay, when you're under Facebook, what you do is click on Create Post. On Create Post, you click what you want to do. Create a post, add a Facebook story, upload some videos, or go live. Say I click Create Post. It will come up as the Facebook page that you have chosen up there. You would write a test. So what you would want to write? This is your caption. You can add either a video, you can share a photo, or what I want you to pay attention of is this multimedia tab. If I click multimedia, it allows me to create a photo album, create a carousel of images, so different images and each of them being a link, which is really great if you have different products or services you want to showcase. You can create a slideshow. For example, I would go here, I would say I want image duration of couple seconds, so it's slow and smooth transition. And then you could pick some photos that you already have, or choose some images. See if I decide to use some images that I already have on my account, I could be adding those photos, creating a slideshow. And look how easy it is. All of a sudden I go from having a normal post to a really cool slideshow. So in order to do this, you do under Creator Studio, you choose multimedia here, and you create slideshow, carousel, or photo albums. This is different type of content that allows you to show up differently on people's feed and add a little bit more engagement. What's really, really interesting here is instead of posting and sharing now, you can click this button and go under schedule, and then it allows you to schedule your post at a future date and time. So I'm going to cancel out of this. I'm going to discard this. This brings us to the content library. On the content library, you will see these are all the pages we manage because we manage a lot of accounts as an agency. But it allows you to see, you can choose one page in particular, and it allows you to see all the posts that have been published, or you can decide to see posts that are scheduled. So if I go to another page, for example, this one, and then see, I can view several pages. I can decide to select all the pages and see all the information, and see here I would see the scheduled posts. I can decide to go here, check mark this post and reschedule it, preview it, edit the post, download it because it's a little video, and I could see cross post to Instagram. I could, because this video is less than a minute, right? So you can share it to Instagram. I could create cross post to Instagram, and here we go. I could decide to publish this post or schedule it. Gonna discard this. So this is how you go to create a Facebook post, scheduling it, and then going to your content library and reviewing the content that you have. You also have great insights right here on your videos. This is how you see all the pages that you manage under one roof. If you only have one page, you'll just see one page. Now I'm going to take you to Instagram. Once you move to Instagram, it's essentially the same concept. You can add your Instagram account here. It has to be a business account. Here we have 13 Instagram accounts that we manage because we are an agency, but normally you would have one or maybe two, the ones that you've decided to put on. I would go under create a post on my Instagram feed, choose the Instagram account I want to use. So I could use Catherine Aird Social Media. I would type my post, so say test caption here, and then essentially you would post on Instagram. It's exactly from your desktop as you would on your phone. You could tag businesses. I can tag some businesses. I can use hashtag, the hashtag creator. So say I want to post something about healthy living. So I could say healthy lifestyle. So I could do my hashtags, I can do my tagging, I can add a geolocation. If I'm in Whistler, I can put Whistler. I can add some content from file upload, either one images, several images, or a video for an Instagram account that would be 60 seconds or less. So if I go here and I go there and I pick some different images. So see, I decide to have slides on Instagram, several images. I can decide I want this one first. I can move them around. I could decide to adjust the image if I want to edit it a bit to fit better in an Instagram square. And then I would go here and either go here, schedule it, or post it right away. I can schedule it in the future. I'll give you an example. If I want to schedule this post for tomorrow at 7 a.m., I'll click schedule. And then you will see now in the Instagram content, if I refresh this, in my Instagram content, I'm going to go under schedule post. So post status scheduled. And this is my schedule post. I can go here. I can decide I want to edit it. I want to publish it, or I can delete it. Now I'll show you another quick trick. This is again Creator Studio, facebook.com Creator Studio under an Instagram business account that has been linked. If I go on I see there's a mistake or something on an Instagram post that I want to change. You can always go to your content library and I can see all content. So see, I go into all my contents. I can hear all the content. I can say, oh, if I'm on Instagram, this post has a mistake in it. So you can go here and you can go edit. You can edit an an already existing Instagram post, edit it, save it, and it will save it on your Instagram account. This is really cool, everybody. Please go into Creator Studio. Try it out, try it out, try it out. You will absolutely love it. If you have any question, reach out to me, hello@catherineaird.ca, or visit catherineaird.ca for all the information on the great stuff we offer.